Konnichiwa, welcome to MrsLinsKitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Japanese rice. Not everyone eats rice daily like the Japanese, and not everyone has a rice cooker on hand. So this video is to show you how Japanese rice is cooked on the stove top. I like to use koshihikari, which is a popular variety of Japanese short grain rice. Koshihikari has super premium quality, so the rice tastes so much better. This variety is sold in Japan, Australia, and US, so you should be able to find it in your local Asian supermarket. Long grain rice are not sticky after they're cooked. However, Japanese short grain rice will stick together after it's cooked, but they're not extremely sticky like the glutinous rice. You will need the following ingredients. To get started, wash rice 3 times or until water runs clear. Next, drain the water. In the pan, add rice, then water, and soak for 30 minutes. Soaking the rice will reduce cooking time and cook more evenly. After soaking for 30 minutes, close the lid and turn on heat to high. When water starts to boil, turn heat to low and cook for about 15 minutes. While cooking, make sure not to open the lid because you want to keep both heat and moisture in. The moist heat will cook the rice grain to perfect tenderness without drying it out. If you still see water in the pan after 15 minutes, then cook for a little bit longer. Turn off heat and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Make sure not to open the lid because the heat and moisture will continue to cook the rice through. After 15 minutes, the rice is ready. You can eat Japanese rice as is or mix with rice vinegar and sugar to become sushi rice. You can also use it to make chahan, which is Japanese fried rice, or omurice. You can freeze cooked Japanese rice and keep it up to 1 month. If you enjoyed this video, then please share, like, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video soon.